I am planning to continue to do great things for this YouTube channel. There are a couple of things that I have in my mind to do so, but so for those who are new to the platform, welcome. Enjoy all the content that I have so far. This is an interactive community, so whatever it is that you have to contribute, I would love to see that in the comments. Don't forget to like, and definitely don't forget to subscribe before you leave this platform. You gotta follow the platform to see it. That's the deal. You follow, I give. You follow, I give. Oh, and another thing, the Patreon is the page, the spot, the hub where every single part of exclusive and premium content is available. So all the things that I'm not talking about here on YouTube, I do that over there. Become a patron. Become a patron on my Patreon. So become a patron on my Patreon. Yeah. You will get all the exclusive content over there. You will be updated on it, and that is really where you get to support me being the artist that I am, but also the content creator, right? I'm an artist, I'm a creative thinker, and I'm also a content creator. So all of that comes together on the Patreon, and I can keep on doing the great things for y'all. And I'm looking forward to that. So join the Patreon. Listen, thank you so much for listening and watching this video. I am looking forward to 2023, and I hope that you will be spending that with me here on YouTube and or the Patreon. Have a good year.